When you're pulling an LS engine, the safest way to do it is using a lift plate. Here's why. On an LS engine, there are several pickup point options. Why would we use a lift plate?
Well, when you have a lift plate such as this, it's the best way to get the engine safely out of the vehicle because you're not dealing with chains and holes that may pull threads out, or you may even have like accessories that are in the way. So when you have a lift plate like this, it's right on top. It minimizes the work to get the engine out of the car, and it's also safe.
So outside of the risk of tearing a thread on the aluminum, what are the other reasons that you would use a lift plate? What's something else that would go wrong?
Well, in the case of a LS engine, if you're using a lift plate, a lot of the ones on the market are what they call a short lift plate, and that keeps the valley exposed, and you could get dirt in there, tools, all sorts of small hardware. The same with your intake ports if you're pulling the engine as a long block with the heads. So with the long plate design, when you put it on our solo swap mock-up block here of our Gen 3 LS, you can see that it blocks off the intake ports. This is beneficial to keep dirt and debris out, and of course, you don't want to lose another 10mm socket down there, right? So we've got this design, and then we built these walls here that now give you a great area to put your block and chain or your tools that you use to actually mount this. And we include not only the fasteners to mount it, but fastener storage right on it. Because the last thing you want to do is grab this off the shelf, and now you don't remember where your hardware is.
Right. So an LS lift plate like this, what's the weight capacity?
So we've engineered this for 1,000-pound capacity, which means iron blocks are fine. You can pull it with your transmission. If it's a four-wheel drive truck, want to pull the transfer case, trans, engine, full accessories all at once. Not only is it going to be safe, but it's going to speed up the process and get you out of the garage faster.
So what I like about the LS lift plate is not only can you lift the engine itself, but all the accessories, exhaust manifold, transmission, everything. Very good information, Mark. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.